Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Dell model and warranty so you know what's covered. Power down, unplug, and remove the battery if the design allows. This prevents shorts. Once done, flip the laptop and use compressed air to blow along key edges and visually inspect for debris or liquid damage. If you see obvious corrosion or sticky residue, make a note for the deeper clean. These immediate steps protect components and set you up for safe disassembly. Now you remove the bezel and unscrew the keyboard, keeping screws labeled so reassembly is straightforward. When you lift the keyboard, locate the ribbon cable and release its latch gently. Forcing it will break the connector. Clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a soft swab, let dry, then reseat the ribbon firmly. Power on and test the keys before snapping everything back. This isolates whether the fail was connection, debris, or a faulty keyboard assembly, so you know the next move. If the keyboard still misbehaves after reseating, you replace the keyboard module with a compatible Dell part. Align the ribbon and secure the latch as you close. Reinstall screws, snap the bezel back, reinsert the battery, and boot into Windows to run Dell or BIOS keyboard diagnostics to confirm repair. If keys remain unresponsive, plug in an external USB keyboard to isolate hardware versus software problems, and if needed, contact Dell support for warranty service or parts replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.